Okay, this is a quick video on how to change the key fob for the 2008 to 2015 BMW 7 Series. 7 Series. Again, this is years around 2008 models to 2015. So let's do it. This is a trapezoid style key, and to change the key fob on, or the key battery here in this fob, flip it over. You'll see a little button you can depress to remove the valet key here. Take that out. And if you look inside here, you can see a hole on the longer side of the trapezoid. And if you stick the key in here, this will be able to pop off this back, like so, which reveals the battery that we need to change. Now to get in the battery, you can use handy dandy little small Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. You could use some nail clippers. Get in there and pop that battery right out. It's the 2450 is the battery that you need. And put in a new battery. Pop that back in. Put the back on. And you're good to go. So that's how you change the battery for a 7 Series. So, you know, the 730, 740, 740Li, active hybrid. Again, for kind of early 2000s range, that's how you change the battery for the BMW 7 Series.